Welcome to Smoky CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to be doing a established sign. I guess that's what they're called. It's a sign where it's got your couple's last name and has established whatever year you were married. And I was going to try to stay on the Christmas theme straight through to Christmas, and everything I did was going to be Christmassy. And in a way, this is a Christmas present for somebody. And I know one of the questions is going to be, it is a bit of a gamble to do it because it's going to show their last name, what the sign looks like. I'm just rolling the dice. Maybe they won't see it. I really don't know if they follow me or not, so I kind of doubt they do, but if they do, that's the breaks. So let's get to it. Well guys, that was it. I thought it came out pretty nice. I like it. I'm going to be doing another one of these in the next couple of videos. It's a different style. That's the only reason I'm going to do it. I've actually got to do like 5 of these, this style. And I'm going to do 2 of the next style I'm going to do. And I just wanted to, the other one's a lot more intricate. It's got a lot more detail, probably quite a bit longer to cut. I thought this one came out good. I mean, as you saw, I stained it real light. I was kind of back and forth on how dark to do it. But I thought it came out all right. I mean, it's still fairly light, and all the wording and the design comes out, really pops. It doesn't have polyurethane on it yet. I'm going to have to do that later. The temperature has really dropped here in southern Oklahoma, so it's probably be tomorrow for a polyurethane it all, because the stain is still kind of damp, and I try not to apply those over each other while they're still wet. So guys, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.